Welcome to Broan. Thank you for taking the time to view this update on Broan. Thanks to you, Broan has been able to improve its already dominant position of the residential ventilation market. Recently, Broan had the good fortune to be able to celebrate its 60th anniversary and at the same time to dedicate its new $15 million automated range hood manufacturing system. This complements our bath fan automation system, which has been operational for the past several years. For you, this new system provides several advantages. First, and most important, it will enable Broan to hold the price line during these very competitive, yet inflationary, periods. Secondly, it will vastly improve our fit, finish, and quality of product. Thirdly, it will provide the manufacturing flexibility to enable Broan to rapidly respond to your ever-changing market needs. And finally, it will assure Broan of the capacity for expansion well into the next decade. Now I would like to share with you a brief overview of this new system. To assist us, I've asked our project engineer, Mr. Dan Bothy, to walk us through the system and to explain to us exactly how it operates. Here's Dan.
It is our pleasure to present to you our new range hood manufacturing system. The design was developed at Broan based on our many years of range hood manufacturing experiences. This is an integrated system of manufacturing, starting from large coils of steel through fabrication, forming, welding, finishing, assembly, and packaging in a continuous and synchronized flow. Over 800 current varieties of range hoods can now be produced effectively in small batches. Let's take a closer look at our new system. The system links three major segments. First, fabrication and weld, then finishing, and finally assembly and packaging. A range hood has several sheet metal components: the wrapper or outer shell, the side or end panels, and the venturi or fan housing. In fabrication and weld, three major manufacturing lines produce these range hood components as needed and feed them directly to weld. The lines start with large 15,000-pound coils of steel. Annually, we use over 10 million pounds of steel. A series of small presses are automatically activated to produce the unique hood features. The system is fully capable of producing 4 sizes, 4 styles, and 6 ducting or performance characteristics in any combination without manual changeover. Having all the dies for each of the various hoods on one line reduces downtime to virtually zero, significantly improves worker safety, and improves quality. The 3 separate components, the wrapper, end panels, and venturi, are directly fed into the weld line. State-of-the-art controls ensure precision welds for top quality and appearance. Once this process is completed, the hoods are automatically transferred from the weld line onto a carrier where it's off to the finishing area. In the finishing area, hoods first enter a 7-stage washer where they are cleaned and prepared for painting. Hoods are then dried to remove the excess water. A barcode or license plate on each carrier is pre-programmed to direct it to the proper tank, white or almond. As the hoods enter the 8,000-gallon tank, the color pigment is actually electrically plated onto the steel. This process provides 100% coverage of all the areas of the hood with precise thickness control. Since paint utilization is extremely high, it minimizes waste and improves environmental conditions. Paint is baked on in a curing oven. Hoods are thoroughly inspected and continue on their way via the barcode directions. Various chemical solutions are monitored by frequent laboratory testing. The finishing processes and movement of hoods are monitored and controlled electronically. A computer screen lets the operators know what is happening at all times. Hoods are now conveyed to the assembly area, flow of hoods continues in assembly where a variety of components are added. The hoods are automatically unloaded from the paint conveyor to assembly. Various components such as the nameplates, ground screws, filter clips, nose trim, wire harness, switches, dampers, fan assemblies, and specification labels are automatically selected and added to the hood as required for each specific model type. The hood is transferred into a turret station. The unique design of this turret allows for each operator to work independently of the automatic equipment. These stations minimize the highly repetitive motions and improve productivity. The hood switch, light, and motor functions are automatically and thoroughly tested for function and safety. In the packaging area, the proper carton is selected from an array of various carton options. The carton moves into position where it is marked by 2 inkjet systems and barcode labeled. The hood is placed into the appropriate carton and stapled. Then it's off to the customer. Here in our control lab, Broan engineers developed a multi-layered computer system which interconnects the entire manufacturing process. The unique and sophisticated system tracks each hood throughout the various manufacturing stages. Computers provide accurate and timely information so the operators can effectively control and manage the entire system. Thank you for the opportunity to share with you this brief overview of our new system.
Thanks, Dan. Broan has consistently invested in